got a couple of swans over there. They're just right in the basking right in the sunshine where the sun hits the water. Don't know if we'll be able to get them on film for you guys or not. We've got a boat that's been coming in, probably been out for the day. It's been a beautiful afternoon today. Might go and have a cup of tea with my mate who's a member over here at the yacht club. $50 for a year, and you can go in and have a cup of tea, cup of coffee. Doesn't cost you anything once you've paid your membership, and you can overlook the river every day if you like for the whole year for $50. Go up and have a meal. Pretty damn good. Beautiful day, walking their dogs. It's almost May. Sensational. It's been about 27 degrees today. Blue sky. Crystal clear waters. I'm sure other parts of the world would love to have water as clear as this. Look, you can see the bottom there. And, you know, we're very lucky to have this waterway here. I guess where the ocean meets the river, it's great. They just come in, and it works as a washing machine, as a cleansing action for the river to keep it nice and clean. I'll see if I can get these swans again in a moment. Dogs cruising along, having a play. I know this guy out here. We'll go have a look. Boat out over there with their drop nets, doing a bit of crabbing. These swans, they're still on the side of it. I don't think we've got them on camera here folks. A nice fish. Obviously, I've maybe just landed a nice little flathead here. You got a flathead, eh?
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Yeah, they're good.
Are they?
The best eating fish you can get.
Really? You want it?
No. We found north in Kalbarri for a week, catch them a bit bigger than that, so yeah. Yeah, they do, but yeah. Might be a bit small, I think. How you going?
Hi, how are you?
Any around?
I don't know. I just came to try.
Yeah.
You ever been here?
Yeah, I come down here a bit. Yeah.
Catch any?
Yeah, you know, we get a few.
They get a few, is it?
Sometimes, I don't know. It's just, sometimes they're here, sometimes they're not here, you know?
Because I haven't come here for a long time.
Yeah. Sometimes they're here and they run. If you get them, they'll be big though, this time of year.
Is it?
They'll be big.
What's it? You haven't tried to get it, eh?
Oh yeah, if you haven't got your nets in the water or your bait in the water, you got no chance, have you?
No, anyway, it's a beautiful day. First thing
Yeah, you might go alright, you might get it. It's perfect for it, you know?
it's nice and warm today. I don't know. But,
I'm sure you'll get a few. You'll get a few.
well, I don't think many.
Yeah, they get pretty big this time of year, so if you get them, you'll probably get 3 or 4 big ones, you know? Which is better than 6 small ones, you know? You won't need to measure them, I doubt it. Oh, there'll still be a few small ones around, but yeah. So this lady just caught a beautiful little flathead here. Beautiful tasting fish, those flathead. I don't think she's keeping it for bait somehow. I've got a feeling she's going to eat that one. I think she wants a feed. That's off a fishing boat, off a fishing car, or kayak I should say. Raring to go. Go for a walk along here. We'll come back and see if that guy's got any crabs later. Give you guys a glimpse of how clean the water is. It's beautiful. Don't know where those swans have gone. We might have them on video, I'll see. Look at these for boats. Absolutely brilliant boats. I think it's time Offer Fishing invested in one. Still trying to find the swans, but can't find any. Little baby magpie. I walk down here a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, I walk down here a lot, but sometimes they're here, sometimes they're not here. But if they're here this time of the year, they're pretty big.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, if they're here, you know. But you might get they're out of it. Yeah. Off here is the best. Yeah, bro, I've seen the big ones caught straight out there. There must be a channel off that corner there. Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's why I'm waiting.
Exactly. You're trying to get the feeling they might be out there, don't you?
Yeah. Well, see, what happened is, you see that sign for you?
Yes.
That thing is to call it Kara Bank.
Correct.
And I don't know why they don't use it there, because I know they're very shallow and come big.
Between there and here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like they were getting more on the side.
Yes. Oh, they might also not have long enough road. When it gets thick, you have long roads out there. Yeah.
Well, used to go
No. Oh, I've done a little bit of that. Used to climb down Blackwall Reach and throw your net off the rocks. Yeah, 'cause it's about
that's where my rock is.
yeah, it's about 90 foot there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Can't get onto the brewery anymore. You have to what? Well, I got kicked off there in January. Because it's now a private jetty by the people that buy the units there. No, they had a security guard there that came through me and a mate off. We were crabbing there. Yeah. So I saw a guy catching really big crabs there that morning. So I went there, he came and threw us off. I liked it because I was having dinner there and then there we were crabbing, you know. At the restaurant.
That's right, because it belongs to the public.
Correct.
Yeah. All the shores here, you know where the fence is.
Yeah.
Fence is okay. But this side of the river belongs to the public. Even here.
Well,
I don't know.
what do you do? You know, like.
And then Applecross is the jetty. Yeah. And now the Applecross jetty is only from there to there. It's just very narrow. It's only 6 people that can go there. But before they have, the old path, the old bus blanket.
Yes.
Yeah. Before you used to fish a lot there. But I write a letter. I've got to talk to the council. Said, we're going to fix it. We have only $5,000 for this year. Rubbish. They've never done it.
Yeah. But yeah, no, so they won't let you on. Well, if you go there at night, I'll have a security guard there, mate. You won't get on.
Can't believe it. It belongs to the public.
And they're doing repairs on it anyway, so they just say sorry, get off because.
It's not repairs. It's brand new and temporary.
Correct.
I understand there's not many parking there. The parking is for the restaurant, fair enough. But you can park, what is it? Opposite the,
Well, what they're doing is they're selling the units for exclusive use of the jetty, which is wrong.
Cycle park. I don't mind. I mean, it's a sport there, but also a sport for us. You know, we can't sit in there.
So you put a couple of nets in, have you? You put a couple of nets in.
One because I got
The cover. Look, here he is.
no, this one. You're right. He wants to get.
Let's video this little guy, eh?
He wants the food. Somebody's taking it. So that's right. Same thing.
Look at him coming to get fed.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Beautiful bird.
Aren't they? Look how close he is. Wow.
They're very young too.
He's just a young one?
Some of the old ones are white spots in the front.
The swans were pretty friendly though on the...
See the white spot there?
Yes?
They're small.
That means they're young, does it?
When it gets bigger, you know, the white distinction comes better. But it's a couple of years ago, it was two babies in another spring.
Yes.
Yeah, but I never see them.
You're not afraid, are they? They come here to get fed and they get the... They're on the bank. I was really close to one of them, probably one of his mates anyway, but just last week. Just
when
that.
the people start feeding them.
Yeah, they know.
Because
Yeah.
they keep coming. They keep coming to the same spot.
Yes.
You know? And of course, you know, if people don't let to feed them,
That's right. They get hand fed.
years ago it was a bloke from down in Belmont, there's an old guy who used to have a sack of all bread and he used to feed them. But I don't know if they're still there or not.
Sensational. They're beautiful, aren't they? But yeah, no, they came right up onto the bank last week. I was having a cup of coffee with a friend of mine at the yacht club. And they just came right up to the, cause just almost like a dog getting a pat.
Yeah, see where the bot is?
Yes, they're getting fed there.
A couple there?
Yep.
Yeah. They must give him the food there.
Yeah, they're right at the boat, aren't they? Coming in for an afternoon feed.
Very hard to get the photo.
It is. There you go. Yeah.
When it gets older, you can see the whole strip of white.
A lot wider. Okay. Who taught you that? How did you know that?
Because I'm living very close to Narrows Bridge.
Okay.
So I'm fishing for years there.
And you see them.
So I've seen them many times there.
Yeah.
So dolphins, you know, dolphins coming in here.
Oh, they come right up to the shore, almost.
Yeah, they come through there, chase the mullet.
Yeah.
They going out.
They go in between the pylons under the jetty.
Yeah, they do, yeah. But it was last week I saw them in Belfast, 2 of them, 3 o'clock, gates coming out.
Yeah, I just got back from fishing up in Kalbarri, so I like going up there for a big tailor. You know, it's a bit hard to get enthused again down here.
Well, is it not sporting Kalbarri?
Yeah.
I've fished for years. You have to go very, very tight in the river. You get the boat, you get out of the boat. You walk about 20 meters to get the bank out, and then you pass in. It's a very deep area there.
Across the other side of the...
Inside. No, not on the mouth. The other side. You know, going inside the river.
Yes.
When you go with a boat, you know, you start getting shallow.
Yeah.
So you have to walk from here to the post there.
Yeah.
And then start the motor again. And
Yeah.
after that, it's getting deeper.
Yes.
And there's a place there, mountains like this, and it's dropped down. Wow, what a fishing there. Beautiful.
That's not what they call red rocks, is it?
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we fished there with my mate, not now, years ago. And used to be beautiful big birds there.
Yeah.
But it's night time, there's a lot of centipedes. They're running everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. And mosquitoes. Yeah.
We have the gut slumping to
Yes.
get centipedes going through my legs. Hey, what's going on here? Yeah.
Yeah.
But we didn't have any problem because we didn't touch them or anything. We just let them run.
Yeah. But the bream are big, aren't they? They're great. They're great
Very
fighting.
big, yeah. Very big. Now there's a law, I think. I just read the book the other day. You only take 6.
Yeah, well, fair enough. That's enough.
Yeah. But if you can get them, most of them is 22, 23.
Yeah.
They're not the 25. It's very hard to get a 25.
I got a 41 centimetre up there about 5 or 6 years ago.
I got 50.
Oh, did you really?
No, I didn't register.
No. That's like a
I
snapper.
thought there was a bloody mellow one.
Yeah, you'd think it, yeah.
And when I got it very close, and I thought, it's a snapper. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
When I brought him out, because it was dark, you know, I saw it was black then.
So you weren't fishing in the boat then, you were at the side?
I saw my boat.
Yeah, but you weren't fishing in the boat. You get out there, don't you, and go and stand on the shore? Yeah. But on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, I know where you are.
No, I never.
It's a few kilometres down the river, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big bream. Even here it's big bream.
Yeah.
Determined to fish for them. I know people catch the bream halfway on the journey.
Yeah.
Catch them out there. But they're not there. So years ago, what was it? They called them homes. Scotland.
Yeah.
You know the river from?
Yeah. I know we used to do it as kids, not anymore.
Cobble JD.
Netherlands, foreshore.
Now, Ron's very happy. Even a couple of us there.
Slowly getting better though now. Slowly. At least the river's moving, it's fresh around here.
It does, but all I need is to flush out.
Yes.
I remember when the river really gets flush out, you know, really you can see it is so brown colour.
Yeah.
Flush out about 3 kilometres out. After that, get a lot of fish off.
Yeah.
Get a mulloway.
You get them all the way then?
Mullet,
Yeah.
big bullets, you know, the whole lot. But those days we have a very dry season.
Yep, those days are gone.
And that's just a lot of people.
A lot more people.
I remember I used to fish on the Norris Bridge. nobody there. Nobody's fishing from the shore. Nobody.
Not anymore.
8 o'clock is dead.
Mm.
Absolutely dead, 8 o'clock. And I fish up to 11 o'clock. Every second weekend I used to catch a Malawi.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Is that right? You wouldn't get it now.
You still get now, but you're looking 1 in 100.
It's a long wait. Yeah,
No,
exactly.
There's one. It's only the Malaways. They're moving two together, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So you catch one, it's a possibility to catch another one. But now, these days, you see, in that spot, for instance, you got 20 people. So it's only 2 fish that can pass the tree.
Yeah.
So if you're lucky, one of you will probably catch it. Yeah?
Exactly.
Yeah. But in 1968, 69, Canyon Bridge, they used to produce soppies.
Yeah.
Which is
Yeah.
that size.
Yeah.
Size, half a meter. There used to be a lot there. They're coming in. Not now. I don't know. See, climate's changed.
Everything's changed. Yeah.
More people.
I was born in 1969, so I know it was 44 years ago. Yeah. Just a few years back.
But
yeah.
if you live in the Narrows Bridge, you get a seal, you know. Seal?
Seal, yeah.
I was fishing from the shore, nobody on the shore. I was myself, I have my rods there. And then I can see, said I was dolphin. And suddenly, how it came so fast next to me. I was sitting there with the stool here, and he just came in along here to rest. Boy, he was another big teeth too.
Yeah, and the whiskers. Yeah.
No whiskers.
No whiskers.
Teeth. The teeth in top of, you know,
Yeah.
big teeth, you know, like.
Yeah.
Just ran back, you know, left everything broke, the whole lot, and I just waited 3/4 of an hour to go out again.
Yeah, you would have scared the fish off.
No, really. No. Because that night I put another way too. Using squid, the whole squid.
Yeah.
I didn't have it last day. So, yeah. I got a lot of Malaways, but I spent hours and hours. You know, say for instance,
Dedication. Yeah.
fishing for Malaway here, probably say 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
You get 1 or 2 runs.
Yeah.
And if you're lucky,
Yeah.
you know, you can stay big river there.
Yeah, sure.
Goes everywhere. Then the harbour used to be good too. You know, shed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shed.
They still get a few down there.
Yeah, I used to have a fly.
Yep.
You know,
Flying gaff, yeah.
that used to go with my friend, but now he doesn't go anymore. So you needed 2 people from that side, you know, to help. You know, if you landed.
Yeah, sure.
Stingray. Oh. Stingrays, you know, just landing on the surface, but then cut the line on.
Yeah, I was down at Hamlin Bay, down in between Augusta and Margaret River a few weeks back. There's some beautiful big stingrays there. You know, it's a sanctuary down there now.
Well, stingrays has been a taster.
Yeah, sure.
But the other way is fishing gear.
Yeah.
You know what line you put.
You're going to know whether it's going to work or not, aren't you?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. I using only 25 pounds when I fish the big one. And 30 pounds for the rig. And I landed. And there's a shovel guys.
Yes. Well, that's right. He's got a blowy over there, that guy. Plenty of blows. But that hasn't changed. There's still plenty of blowies around it during the day. Oh, they're terrible, aren't
It's not okay, people will say, oh, why destroy or whatever and clean up the river. It doesn't. It eats the fellows too.
they? Okay. Hey guys. Look at that, they're talking. I've never heard them make noise before.
See, this is much bigger.
Yes.
You can see the white feathers.
That's an amazing noise they make. They're talking, saying, where's our fish? Feed us now. It's 10 to 5, it's our dinner time.
That's one maybe female or something. Maybe young male.
Yes. Sorry guys, we've got no food for you. You're going to have a fish as well, are you?
Nighttime you might get some, what do you call it?
Taylor.
No, not Taylor. type of mackerel.
Yeah.
Like a family of sardine type.
Yeah.
They're quite big, I think. So I use for those because they're all born.
Yeah.
But it's good fun to catch.
Yeah.
If they can.
Oh, those slimy mackerel or whatever it is they call them.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
It's not for eating.
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah. I've never heard the noises they make before. Sorry guys, no food for you.
The only thing I'm getting annoyed, a lot of people having a lot of lines.
Oh yeah, it's disgusting.
There's lines everywhere. Even in town when I come, I have to collect about a dozen of different type of lines.
Yeah.
So I can't understand. You know,
They don't care, mate.
The bin is next to it, right? Roll them up, throw in the bin.
They don't care, mate. That's the use.
If you don't have a break.
Yeah, they're talking to us.